I'm Mike Butcher. I'm the founder of the Europas Awards. It's been going for 15 years and it's all about celebrating startups across Europe.
When you're just starting out, no one knows about you, no one really cares about you, and an award like this are opportunities to get known, to get recognized, for the name of your company to start to be familiar.
As a VC, I'm always paying attention to who is on the most interesting competitions, who is winning, who is getting to the final. So I think events and awards are a perfect place for companies to differentiate.
Sixt is proud to be part of that ecosystem here in Lisbon. We are teaming up with the best partners, and the Europas, they proved over many years to activate tech ecosystems.
The awards are open now, so if you've got a startup in Europe, apply and get yourself out there in the ecosystem. It's a fantastic way to market yourself. To partner with us, email hello@europas.com.